David Miller from Vintage Iron, promoting the Alltrac device for an Rite wind machine.
Nice. And what does the Alltrac device do?
Start and stops, monitors the wind machine while it's running. And here's our unit here on the tower. The Alltrac box and device sends a signal, cellular modem.
And that wire comes down here.
Yeah, down and through the tower into the main harness for whatever engine option you have. This one is actually a V10 Ford. Got the temp probe wire and fuel sending unit coming from the fuel tank to monitor fuel. We can show you the app, Alltrac, Vintage Iron. There's our wind machine that we're talking to right here. So it's on auto start. Machine status is off because it's not running yet. 0 RPM, fuel level 66%, battery voltage current is 13.2. Temperature outside in the snowstorm is 1 degree. Our start and stop temperatures are -18 Celsius and -15 to stop.
And so how would we start it remotely?
So we'd go in to the start stop temperature, change that, switch that to, let's say, should have started at 4 degrees. Change that to 8 degrees. Save it. Switches into red, which it's recognized it.
And so how often does this update?
Every 15 minutes when it's not in use, or when it gets to critical temperature, it's every minute, and when it's running, every minute to 90 seconds.
Cool. And what does the propane gauge look like? Maybe we can look at that while we're waiting for this to update.
So we replace your analog gauge with one that's electrical sending unit on it. Shows that it's at 66%. Yeah, that's what it says. Oops. Put the snow off there.
And you need a solar panel?
Yep, solar panel's good to have. Must have.
It's not doing much right now.
Yeah. Gotta obviously keep clean. Canadian winters.
Are we in Canada?
We are. A. This thing gets so full of snow.
And so on the auto start, how could you tell if it was trying to start? How does the Alltrac unit control the auto start?
Oh, sorry, through the temp probe, which was located here. So it tells the auto start box to change temperature and fire up, put it in automatic mode.
Gotcha.
So it comes up as air ambient temperature is below start temperature, and off we go.
So what happened there? Failure to crank?
Yeah, it looks like it might have a bad battery connection. There we go. warm-up mode now. 1170 RPM. Battery voltage has come up.
So if you're in your bed,
Wondering about wind machines? I would get a warm-up text message saying that the machine went into warm-up mode. And then once it got to full run status, send me another one saying that it was in full run mode. Any problems that arise, it will send me a text message also saying that it's shut down for a certain reason or another.
you could stay in bed a little longer.
Or all night. Especially when it's snowing out.
Awesome. Thanks, Dave.
Thank you.